Crank up the truck, kick off some dust, leave it all behind, just me and you, baby. Don't look back, stomp on the gas, tear off the rear view, let's go crazy. Maybe Tennessee, LA, NYC, Mississippi. Come on, come on. Whoa, oh, ready, set, go. I gotta get out of this small town. Whoa, oh, the open road, air to breathe, the sun is shining down. Oh, oh, it's you and me in the land of the free. So baby, let's run while we're young. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, this is eKicks. Today I want to share is Pink NND. This shoes is for girls. It's pretty nice. And I already show some outfit reviews, and today's I want to show you guys some details. So check the shoes, and we check inside. These shoes come with the rear boost, and check the inside. Here we got the size tagger and some zip code. So we check another one. So this shoes is pretty nice. And today, if you guys order from me, you can get free shirts or free shorts. That brand is Gucci or Paper. How to get free stuff? First, subscribe my channel. Second, share the video link so you will have chance to get the free stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next video.